In today's video, I'll be talking about a brand new DogeCoin miner. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, I am a big fan of crypto mining. I used to mine Ethereum back in the days with graphic cards. I used to have a big old setup and all kinds of different things. But today, those miners are old news and new miners are coming into the space all the time. And in today's video, I'll be talking about a brand new DogeCoin miner that you'll be able to pre-order in just 4 days, January 24th, 2023. And now let me show you this awesome miner. This brand new miner is called the matchx Neo. It is a next generation multi-token mining rig. You'll be able to mine multiple tokens at ease in the comfort of your own home with almost zero operating cost. So the two tokens that you'll be able to mine with Neo are MXC and DogeCoin. One of the things that makes the Neo miner so special is the energy efficiency. The Neo miner consumes 1/40th electricity of a standard light bulb. This results in virtually zero operating cost, which is definitely a plus. Best of all, it doesn't make any noise like other miners. Also, installation is very simple, takes less than 10 minutes. All you gotta do is scan the HR code and you'll be able to start mining. The Neo miner will also allow you to stake the tokens that you are mining. That way you will generate even more yield and even more profits. And you'll be able to do all of this in the DataDash app that you can download on your mobile phone. Neo is much more than just a miner. It simultaneously provides connectivity to smart devices around you. And now let's talk about price. The Neo miner will be priced around $500, maybe slightly less, maybe slightly more, but that is the general ballpark, which is definitely affordable. The reason I'll be getting some of these miners is because they mine Dogecoin, and I believe Dogecoin is here to stay. We have all seen how many millionaires were made from Dogecoin in the last bull run. Right now, we are in the middle of a bear market, and in my opinion, it is the perfect time to start accumulating some Doge. So instead of taking $500 and investing in Dogecoin directly, I believe investing in this miner will pay off even more. You'll be able to mine Dogecoin continuously, and you'll be able to stack up as much as possible. And who knows, next bull run, Dogecoin might have a massive rally where all the free Dogecoin that you are mining right now might be worth even more money. So I'm definitely super excited about this miner. Also, don't forget, you'll be mining two different tokens, Dogecoin and MXC. So you'll be stacking up on both the entire time. And now let's look at some specifics about this miner. The manufacturer is matchx. This is the model Neo, designed in Germany. You'll be able to mine MXC Dogecoin. Also, the release date is April 2023. But you'll be able to pre-order one starting January 24th of 2023. So if you are looking to mine Dogecoin or you want to jump into the crypto mining game, check out the link in the description box below and check out the Neo miner. Also, the Neo miner is a very small device, only weighing 15.8 ounces. Noise level compared to other miners is almost non-existent. Energy efficiency score is almost 100, which is definitely a plus. Also, power consumption is almost at zero compared to other miners. I believe this is an awesome long-term play, and I believe this miner will pay for itself in no time. This is just a quick intro into the Neo multi-token miner. I will be making a lot more content on the Neo miner, doing unboxing videos, showing you how much profits I'm making, giving you regular updates, and a lot more information. So if you're interested in one, link will be in the description box below. All right, everybody, that is all I have for you guys today. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research, and don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, and see you in the next video. Peace out.